how you can uninstall 360 Total Security from Windows 11 or Windows 10. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it. So let's get started. First, you open the control panel on your PC. So if you are on Windows 11, go to Programs and then click on Uninstall a Program. And if you are on Windows 10, just click on Programs and Features. Now you see a list of all the programs. Once you see the list, look for 360 Total Security and then click on it. After that, the Uninstaller window will open. Then click Next and select I don't need it. So click Uninstall after that. Then confirm again by clicking Uninstall. Now, that's it. The program should now be completely removed from your PC. But if that didn't work and 360 Total Security is stuck or it didn't go away, don't worry. You can use a backup plan. So open your web browser and search for Geek Uninstaller. Now download the free version from the official website. After that, the file will come as a zip. So open the zip file and double-click the exe file to run it. Once Geek Uninstaller is open, you'll see your installed programs. Then find 360 Total Security in the list. After that, right-click on it and select Force Removal. So the program will now scan for hidden or leftover files. Once it finishes scanning, click Finish and wait a few moments. Then everything is gone. Now when you're done, simply close Geek Uninstaller and restart your computer. So when you come back, you will see that 360 Total Security is fully removed from your system. Everything is clean and done. And that's it. That's how you can uninstall 360 Total Security from Windows 11 or Windows 10.